I got a question today of why do you need to change spark plugs after some few kilometers, give or take 3,000 kilometers? Why do you need to change spark plugs? Yeah, that's a very good question. And I once also asked myself, why, if the car is starting up fine, why do I need to change the spark plugs? First of all, you need to change spark plugs with quality ones. Yeah, you just don't need to change spark plugs with whatever you find on the street, because some do not work with your kind of vehicle, especially Nissans are quite picky with the spark plugs you put in there. Nissans and older model Toyotas, for example, the 190s, the Chikumi is the one that we call Chikumi in Uganda here. Those older Toyota vehicles, they are quite picky with the spark plugs that you put. They need to be genuine. There is Champion, then NGK, those are good spark plugs, but also where you get them. There is Bosch. Bosch is good. So why do you need to change them after, let's say, 3,000 kilometers? Why do you need to change them? Because if you notice, when you put new good spark plugs in your vehicle, the consumption is quite good. The consumption is to point. If your car is a 2.0 liter, it will do exactly that. It will, even when you hit the highway or the expressway, it will take less, really, because the fuel and combustion is taking place at the exact time it's needed, and the combustion, it is burning all the fuel that is necessary, so needing less fuel to move the pistons up and down. Yeah. So once the spark plugs get a little bit older, the spark becomes a little bit lighter. That's meaning it's going to need more fuel to push that piston down and up. It's going to need more fuel because the spark is not as robust as it used to be when the spark plug was new. So you need to change them, because you need, first of all, it affects your fuel consumption. It really does. It affects your fuel consumption because old spark plugs, they don't burn the fuel as well. So you start smelling in the morning when you start it up, especially when the engine is cold. You just start smelling petrol in the morning. That's not a good thing. Yeah. So do yourself a favor, change those spark plugs every after 3,000 kilometers when you can, but also change them out with quality spark plugs. Thank you.